Okay, so I've got another tutorial for you when it comes to extensions. Okay, so as you can see, like I have these short layers right here. This is like the length of my hair on the top. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I blend these into my extensions so that I can wear my hair down without it looking like without you being able to see my layers. Okay, so I've got my straightener. I've got my IGK Good Behavior heat protectant, and I've got the Design Me Hold Me hairspray. It has 3 different settings. I'm using the light hold setting. So basically what I do is I find my layer. Okay, I am gonna brush this out. Oh, oops, actually I'm gonna prep with my heat protectant. I'm gonna brush it through. Okay, I'm gonna take that layer. I'm gonna grab my straightener, and as I come to the ends, I'm gonna slowly curve the ends. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my brush again and brush it. See how it's already? Okay, so I'm just gonna keep doing that on the top. Okay. Okay, so you see how it's nice and blended. So once I get it nice and blended, I'm gonna take my light hold hairspray. I'm gonna lightly mist where the ends of my layers are so that it sticks to my extensions, and I'm just going to brush it in. And ta-da! Blended. What layers? Okay, and then take a mirror and then check the back. Make sure everything's nice and blended. It looks good. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please tag me in any of the looks that you do using my tips and tricks, and so that I can repost you. I will see you guys very soon in my next tutorial.